Students, for today's topic is physiological effects and mechanism of action of gibberellin. So, stem and leaf growth is one main action of gibberellin on plants. So, they have specific capabilities to spur the growth of intact plants in many species, especially in plants that are stunted in the rosette stage. So they can show increment in size of stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits, but however, do not seem to play any such part in case of root growth. So these black dots are actually showing the number of cell divisions. This is a famous picture from Tesanzyga. So this is a shoot apical meristem. You can see after incubation with gibberellin how many times cell division increased. Okay, so gibberellin again can overcome genetic dwarfism. That means it helps to overcome genetic dwarfism in many plants. So GA1, the biologically active gibberellin, controls stem growth. So this is a rosette pea plant and this is a tall pea plant. So they have amount of gibberellin. They differ in the amount of active gibberellin in their cells. So this is also showing a rosette plant after being modified by the application of GA, genetically engineered low wheat, converted into a long wheat. So flowering, gibberellin also has effect on flowering. So in many cases, gibberellin stimulates distinct flowering. The specific effect of gibberellin flowering is to stimulate the long rapid growth of the flower cluster. So they can bring flowers in short day condition in the long day plants also. So bolting, another role I already mentioned, that is the increment in the internodal length of any plant via the external application of GA, that is gibberellin. Students, please notice that here the plant entered into the reproductive stage from its vegetative stage also. So this is bolting. Parthenocarpy is another role of gibberellin, so which is the fruit development without fertilization. Here, the fruits become seedless, and these fruits are larger in size, so they have more market value. It is actually showed good effect on berries, and the main role of gibberellin is the breaking of seed or bud dormancy. So they mainly work on the hydrolytic enzymes which are present in the endosperm. So I am explaining this process in detail. The gibberellins are synthesized by the embryo and released into the starchy endosperm via the scutellum. Please observe this picture. So now then, gibberellins are diffused to the alluron layer. Here, the cells of alluron layer are induced to synthesize more and more alpha amylase and other hydrolase enzymes into the endosperm. By the effect of gibberellin, and starch and other macromolecules are broken down to small molecules. The endosperm solutes are absorbed by the scutellum and transported to the growing embryo. Then, after absorbing the food, embryo germinates. So this is a quick recap of the physiological roles of gibberellin. So these are some anti-gibberellins. You can also mention, other than this, ABA or abscisic acid also as an anti-gibberellin. So thank you.